Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to online class. I am your English teacher. Today we are going to do listening task and irregular nouns of Unit 2 Alice in Wonderland. Now open page 29 of English language textbook. Here is our listening task. You have to read the statements and the options carefully. After reading it, close your books. Now I am going to read a diary entry. You have to listen attentively. Dear diary, I am sure you would have missed me. I could not write for the past 3 days because I had gone to Murray Hills with my family. I am sure you know by now how much I love traveling. Last Friday we left Lahore for Murray by bus at 8 am. We had reached Murray by afternoon. It was a fine cloudy day. After resting for a while, we went out to have a view of the hills. The valley below the hills looked like a huge green cup, full of beautiful flowers. We walked till the Kashmir point and enjoyed the beautiful view. On the second day of our stay, we decided to visit the Mushkpuri top, which is the highest point in Murray. After reaching the top, we saw an amazing view of the setting sun, thick clouds, and famous pine trees. The third day was mostly spent on shopping at the famous Mall Road. We returned to Lahore after 3 days stay in the hills, which was as hot and dry as we had left it. I am sure you would have enjoyed listening to my trip. I will take your leave now. Goodbye, Asad. Now open your books and solve the listening task. I have attached the solved listening exercise in the PDF link. You can tally your answers from there. Our next topic is irregular nouns. But before we start irregular nouns, I am going to review singular and plural nouns that I have also mentioned in my previous lecture. I am going to repeat it so that you can recall that lecture. A singular noun tells about one person, place, animal or thing. A plural noun tells about more than one person, place, animal or thing. The general rule that we follow is that we change a singular noun into plural noun by adding s or es to the singular nouns. But there are some nouns which do not follow the general rule of adding s or es to become plural. These nouns are known as irregular nouns. For example, man, men, foot, feet, woman, women, sheep, sheep, fish, fish, deer, deer, mouse, mice, person, people, ox, oxen, die, dies. Now if you look at the first word man, a letter has been changed with e to become plural and it becomes men. Foot, double o are replaced by double e. Here are some nouns like sheep, fish, deer, which do not change at all while becoming plurals. And there are some nouns which change completely. For example, person, its plural is people. So you have to memorize the irregular nouns as they are. Now we will do exercise A on page 26. Read the sentences given below. Figure out the plural form of the noun in the brackets and fill in the blanks. First, bird. Amna saw a flock of birds across the field. Second, person. There were too many people in line, so I left the cinema. Third, deer. 5 deer grazed in the zoo. Fourth, sheep. The shepherd shaved the wool of 7 sheep. Fifth, man. 2 men helped move the ambulance. Sixth, cactus. The desert is home to many cacti. Seventh, tooth. Brush your teeth before going to bed. Eighth, die. We roll 2 dice in the game of Ludo. Ninth, duck. Several ducks swim down the river each spring. 10th, woman. 3 women walked slowly across the road. Homework. Do let's listen. Complete and learn let's learn grammar exercise A. Thank you.